Hello everyone, today I'm about to simply teach you how you can create a Discord account. It is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video till the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, go to any browser you want and simply search for Discord, sign up. Finally, once you have done that, you're going to be on this page where it says Discord, your place to talk and hang out. Tap on it. And finally, once you have done that, go ahead and click on open Discord in your browser. I'm already logged in, but I'm just gonna go ahead and sign out of my account real quick. And finally, this is the page you are also gonna be on. So in order to create a Discord account, simply click on register down here. And finally, go ahead and enter a email and then write a username, and then finally enter a password. And then you'll have to also enter your date of birth. Go ahead and do that. And go ahead and click on continue. Finally, once you have done that, congratulations, you have successfully created a Discord account. And if you thought this video was informational, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you for watching.